Every single makeup tutorial on here has way too many steps. If you're someone who is absolutely new to makeup, you don't wear anything at all, and you want to get into it, this is going to be for you. So I'm going to show you a no makeup look routine with hardly any steps. First things first is skincare prep. I'm literally just going to go in with a moisturizer. I'm choosing to use this one by MAC just because I feel like it does have like a primer texture to it. You've heard it before, skincare prep is literally one of the most important things when you do your makeup. For every day, realistically, you don't need 5 steps of your skincare routine to do your makeup. I am leaving the house after this, so I am gonna apply a sunscreen now. If you are someone who literally wears no makeup and wants to get into makeup, I highly recommend either using a stick foundation like this or a skin tint to get started. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use both today. Skin tints are always forgiving and a little easier to blend into your skin, especially when you're just starting out. I love stick foundations because I feel like you can build them up or keep them sheer. I'm gonna use it under my eyes as almost like a concealer. If you buy a stick foundation, it can sheer it out all over your face and then really put more coverage on the areas that you want. The next thing I'm going to use is powder. This is the Sephora collection one. This step also really depends on what you used prior and also your skin type. I am oily, so I do need to set my T-zone, but not everyone actually needs powder. The goal here is just to set what you already put on your face, so no baking or anything fancy like that. Next thing I'm going to do is blush, and this is the biggest game changer I think for anyone getting into makeup. Blush and lipstick to me are the two big things that really elevate any makeup look. I'm using one from the Sephora collection. This one is called Shame on You, and it is one of my favorite colors. I'm just going to put a little bit of brow gel on and curl my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. I just want to show you the difference of curling my lashes to when I don't curl them at all. Crazy. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Laneige lip mask just because I have really dry lips. That is it. This is my super simple, no makeup look. Super easy. You only need what? 5 products? I would take this as a very symbolized base to where you can build up more makeup on top, whether you want to add a graphic liner or you want to put more bronzer or you want to just amp up your look with glitter. Start here.